How's it going, everybody? My name is Arrow. I'm a professional snowboarder, and today we're doing an unboxing video of my favorite black eye product. This is a 3-in-1 that includes a fisheye, macro, and a wide angle. 180 fisheye, my favorite lens out of those three for shooting action. This is a beauty. It has two lenses in one. It has a wide angle and then it unscrews into a macro lens. If I'm afraid my friend's gonna land on me, so I'd rather get a little bit further away and then get a little bit of landscape in there and then shoot the action as well, you know. Reveal the macro. With this lens you get 19 times closer to the object as your phone would with the normal lens. So for the little detail shots, you gotta use this one.
Woo, that was amazing.